Hello, this is Summer. Welcome to Zhou-ZIQI factory. We are a professional air compressor manufacturer over 15 years. Today, I would like to share with you is the Zhou-ZIQI oil-free water lubricant screw air compressor with 22 kilowatts. It's suitable for food, medical, drink, and precision electronic, industrial, and so on. According to the nameplate, the air compressor with pressure is 10 bar and the air capacity is 3 cubic per minute. Now let's us open the case plate of the air compressor. Wow, 好重。Zhou-ZIQI customers L and with 100% oil-free, lubricated by the pure drinking water instead of oil. It is not only save a large maintenance cost, but avoid the pollution with low noise, small vibration, and the compressor design life of up to 300,000 hours. Another key part is Brazil WEG i4 bottle, ranked number 2 in the world, the most highest standard energy saving standard IE4. The efficiency is 94.4% with IP55 protection class F insulation class B temperature rise. The weight is 176 kilograms. The design uses SKF heavy-duty bearings, which greatly increases the stability and life of the bottle. It approves UL CE certificate and it's suitable for any hard environment. The next is the stainless steel pressure vessel. It prevents any corrosion. Unique rotary design to ensure water vapor separation. 3 levels induction alarm so that more water is discharged or less water through the system to add. Here are all the spare parts are connected with stainless steel pipe. It without corrosion and high reliable. The frequency in water is the key customers' VFC air compressor under the principle of stable exhaust pressure. The rotate speed of air end and motor could be changed precisely in according to the change of machine air consumption, so that the air compressor only output how much air consumption you need, and at the same time only consume the necessary energy to output these quantities of the air. For the air compressor electronic systems, we are using the Franz Schneider brand. It's well known in about. The last is the last is the last point is about the noise treatment of the air compressor. Zhou-ZIQI using environmentally friendly cautious. It has sound insulation, smoke, water, fire, and wind. We're also using sound absorbing sponge. The sound absorbing water stopping film is made to have a good sound absorbing effect and a water stopping function. And the material as a whole complies with Euro environment standards. So, if you are interested in air compressor or oil-free air compressor, welcome to inquiry.